In today's video, let me teach you how to watch movies on Jio Hotstar. Welcome back to a new video on HowGenic everyone. If you have an account of Jio Hotstar and you're trying to watch movies on it, in today's video, let me show you how. Now, once you're inside of the app of Jio Hotstar, in order for you to watch movies, you can just tap on the movies section on the bottom, or you can also tap on the search bar on the bottom and search for any movies that you're trying to watch. Now, there are free and premium movies available. You don't need to subscribe to a plan if you're trying to watch one of those free movies, but if you select a movie that is not free to watch, you need to subscribe to a plan. There are multiple plans available such as mobile, super and premium. Select the plan that you want to subscribe to. Only then you'll be able to watch those premium movies. Once you are subscribed to a plan, just open up the movie that you're trying to watch, tap on watch now and the movie will start to play. You can also download it later on for the time when there's no internet connection. So that was a video about the way that you watch movies on Jio Hotstar. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.